Ever felt like home design is just about following trends? Well, you're wrong. And today, I'm revealing how your home can not only be stylish, but also save you money and boost your well-being. So welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're passionate about design and have a home project in the works, you're in for a treat today. I'm diving deep into designing your dream home, focusing on trends, cost effectiveness and wellness. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Now, I know the world of home design can be overwhelming, and that's why I've put together a comprehensive guide to help you navigate through it. From trending architectural styles to cost-effective building strategies, I've got it all. First up, let's talk about colors. Are you team warm neutrals or team dual tones? Now, warm neutrals like beiges and browns, they're making a comeback, and they offer a cozy feel to your home. And on the other hand, dual tones like emerald green, they can add a touch of luxury to your space. Now also, building a home doesn't have to break the bank. Have you ever considered a tiny home? Or how about 3D printing your home? Yeah, you heard that right. These are not just trends, they are revolutionizing the construction industry. And let's take a moment to discuss a real-world example. And this combines various design elements and cost-effective strategies. And that's Vancouver's Ronald McDonald house. Now, this facility, it serves as a home away from home for families with seriously ill children. And its design is a testament to the power of thoughtful architecture. Now, I have a couple of questions for you. First, how difficult do you find it to choose the right colors for your home? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And second question, a little bit provocative, how important is size to you? Are you more about tiny homes and quality over quantity? Now let's get a conversation going. And before we move on, if you're finding this video helpful, you'll love my blog and my infographic on the same topic. So click the links in the description to read the blog and to download the infographic. Now, carrying on, sustainability and wellness. Now, they're more than just buzzwords. They're lifestyle choices. Imagine a home that not only looks good, but also makes you feel good. And that is the promise of neuroarchitecture. And it's a design approach that considers how spaces affect our mental well-being. Now, we've covered a lot today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And you can also sign up to my newsletter for more content. And as a thank you, I'm inviting you to download my free ebook, and it's called Homeward Bound. Again, the link is in the description below. And don't forget, your dream home is more than a vision, it's a blueprint waiting to happen. So subscribe and let's make those blueprints come to life. So once again, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming and keep designing.